Hey, it's Liz from No Trace. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 different projects that you can make with your selvage edges of fabric or your long, thin scraps. I have video tutorials for all of these projects, so let's jump in. The first is a simple zipper pouch with boxed corners. This is an awesome size for art supplies, toiletries, etc., and it sews up super fast. If you want to make a zipper pouch that has more of a design to it, I also have a tutorial that shows you how to make a zipper pouch that creates this diamond pattern. One more zipper pouch project for you. This is a super cute leaf-shaped zipper pouch. It's perfect as a coin purse or for small special things. I also have a tutorial on how to make a cute little lined drawstring bag from your selvage edges and scraps of fabric. And this would make a really thoughtful gift bag for someone. If you'd like to make something a little bit larger with your selvage edges, I also have a tutorial for this mini tote bag. This is a really great size to use in place of a purse or for a quick errand or a trip to the gym. And I have 2 projects that are more for your home. The first is for a leaf-shaped placemat. This was so fun to make and it looks really nice on my kitchen table. And last but definitely not least is a leaf-shaped mug rug. This sews up super fast and it's just a lovely little touch for your table. I'm linking to a playlist right here that has all of these projects in the same place. And if you are looking for even more scrap busting project ideas, I'd love for you to check out my membership. Just click the join button below this video to learn more.